Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Corporate Accounting and Regulation. My topic name is Redemption of Debenture. Redemption of Debenture. The Company Act 1956 does not lay down any guidelines or conditions for the redemption of debenture. Regardless, this debit instrument is invariably redeemable and the process is usually carried out as per the term state in a prospectus formulated during the issuance. Typically, such terms need to be in compliance with the issuing company. Nevertheless, to carry it out successfully, investor must avail more information on the matter and should not limit to just redemption of debenture meaning. Following is an in-depth look into the concept that can help shed light to how debenture and redeemed. What is redemption of debenture? Typically, it can be described as the process of repaying debenture issued by a company to its debenture holder. In other words, it is the process of repaying the principal amount to debenture holder. It is a noteworthy transaction for most companies as the amount required for redemption is quite substantially. On debenture or redeemed, the issuing company discharges its share of liability and takes it out from the balance sheet. Result business build a robust provision out of their gains and accumulate capital for reclaiming debenture. The term of redemption are stated in the debenture certificate. Notably, the approach behind redemption of debenture can be understood by glancing at these follow pointers. Debenture can either be redeemed at premium or par. Redemption significance repaying the number of debenture to debenture holder. All term and condition accompany redemption are mentioned in a company prospectus that initiated an investor for issue of debenture. Meaning of redemption of debenture. It means repayment of the number of debenture to the debit holders or debenture holders. Debenture can be redeemed either at par at premium. The term and condition of redemption are usually given in the prospectus inviting application for issue of debenture. Methods of redemption of debenture. Various company may option for different method of redemption of debenture. These following are some population way to do lump sum payment on pre-fixed date. This one-time method is considered to be among the simple redemption option. As per this method, debenture holder receive the promised sum on the pre-fixed date. If the debenture are not redeemed at discount or premium, the lump sum amount calculated by the summarized of the principal value of all debenture is paid out on the pre-fixed or maturity data that is mentioned on debenture agreement. The issuing company may decide to pay off the debenture amount before its maturity. Payment in annual installment. This method is considered similar to the redeeming process of a term loan. As per this method, company pay a portion of a debenture principal each year to holder until its maturity date. Debenture redemption reserve. This is also known as the sinking fund. Especially it is a reserve that is built by accumulate at least 25% of the face value of debenture every year until its maturity. The main objectives of this reserve is to protect the interest of debenture holder. Call and put option. Some companies issue debenture with both calls and put option for redemption. Typically, the call option enable company to purchase their debenture either before or on a maturity date at a predetermined price. On the other hand, in the put option, debenture holder avail the rights to sell the debenture back to the company at an agreed price, either before or on maturity date. Conversion into shares. This particular message is direct towards convertible debenture. Such debenture come with a clause that enable holder to convert their unit into company ordinary equity share. It is at that point of conversion that the total liability of debenture is discharged. Buy from a open market. Companies can also purchase debenture from an open market if their units are being traded on a regulated exchange. It will save them from the case of being subject to administrative documentation. Redemption of debenture referred to payment of the amount of debenture by the enterprise. When debenture are reclaimed, liability on account of debenture is being discharged. To put in other words, the amount of capital need to redemption of debenture is large and hence economic enterprise make adopted provision out of gain and accrue capital to reclaim debentures. There are 4 ways by which the debenture can be reclaimed, namely payment in lump sum, payment in installment, purchase in the open market, by conversion into shares or new debentures. Thank you.